Ever wondered what lurks beneath the surface of Lunar Client? Not the moon, mind you, but the software itself. Because while it promises to enhance your Minecraft experience, it's also collecting data. But what kind of data? That's the burning question, isn't it? We've all heard the whispers, the concerns. But let's cut through the speculation and dive deep into the digital footprint Lunar Client leaves behind. We're going to dissect its privacy policy, examine its code, and even test its behavior. It's time to demystify the data collection process. First off, what does Lunar Client even do? It's a custom Minecraft launcher, right? It modifies the game, adds features, and supposedly enhances performance. But how does it achieve this? By tinkering with your Minecraft files, that's how. And that's where things get interesting. Let's talk about permissions. When you install Lunar Client, you grant it access to various system resources. It needs permission to modify game files, of course. But does it go beyond that? Can it access your files, your network, or even your microphone and camera? These are questions we need to answer. The privacy policy is always a good place to start. It's like the user agreement you never read, but should. So, let's break down the legalese. What does Lunar Client claim to collect? Does it mention personal information, usage data, or anything that raises eyebrows? But policies are just words. What about the actual code? That's where the real secrets lie. Now, we're not asking you to become a software engineer overnight. We're simply looking for red flags. Does the code reach beyond what's necessary for the software to function? Is it accessing parts of your system it shouldn't? And then there's the behavioral analysis. We'll create different scenarios, install Lunar Client on a fresh system, and monitor its actions. We'll check for network traffic, file changes, and any suspicious activity. It's like playing detective, but with code. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, trust. Can you trust Lunar Client? That's a question only you can answer. But we can provide you with information to help you make an informed decision. We're not here to scare you, but to empower you. Knowledge is power, and understanding what data is being collected is crucial. It's about taking control of your digital footprint. So, what did we find? Does Lunar Client collect more data than it needs to? Are there any red flags? We'll break down our findings and provide clear explanations. Remember, this is just the beginning. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and so are the methods used to collect data. Stay informed, stay vigilant. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.